Here's a pair of the JBL Vibe Beam 2 earbuds. I'm going to show you how to pair and connect these directly to a Chromebook via Bluetooth. So the first thing we should do is put these into pairing mode, okay? So go ahead and take the buds out of the case. And then you just want to hold both buds up like this. You'll know that it's in pairing mode if both of these blinking blue, blue, blue after a few seconds, okay? So just wait a little bit. I get a solid blue light here, then mine just turns off. The reason is because I'm connected to a different device that's near me. So let me manually put this into pairing mode. I just have to use one of the earbuds left or right, it doesn't matter. What I want to do is touch the touch sensor there. I want to tap and hold. If I put this in my ear and I tap and hold, I keep holding, eventually it'll say pairing. But I'm just going to do it here until it starts blinking blue. Okay, so we're going to do this. Ready? The touch sensor is right there. Tap and hold. Now just hold it until it starts blinking blue. Got to hold it for like 6 or 7 seconds. Okay, there we go. Now it's blinking blue. Now both of these should be blinking blue. You can see they're both blinking blue. Now it's in pairing mode. Now we can just set these to the side, and we want to go to settings here. Let me just click right there, and we're going to go to settings. And then we want to go to Bluetooth here. So we're going to go over to Bluetooth. Now here on the right side it says pair new device. Okay, so let's select pair new device, and now see this line that's going, that black line going across there is searching for devices that's in pairing mode that is near me, which is about 30 feet Bluetooth range. They're still in the pairing mode. They're blinking blue, blue, blue. It did find the JBL Vibe Beam 2. I'm going to go ahead and select that. It says pairing. And voila, we're connected. And you can see it says JBL Vibe Beam 2. I got 70% battery juice on the left and right earbud. And there you go. Now, if you had any kind of issue pairing or connecting these, you can always factory reset these earbuds. If you need to do that, look for that link below in the description area.